What is a triangle? A triangle is a closed polygon of three sides. What is closed means not open. So in that case, what is a open shape? The open shape looks like this, and you can clearly see a triangle is not open from any of the side or any end. Polygon means a shape which is just made up of line segments. Of course, triangle has these line segments A, B, B, C, C, A, and it has three sides. So a triangle is a closed shape made up of line segments and it has three sides. There are basically 9 elements of the triangle: three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Which are the three sides? AB, BC, and CA. So these are this one, and this one. They are the three sides of the triangle. Which are the three angles? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. So we have three angles of this triangle. Which are the three vertices? Vertices means corners. So we have the vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. There are three different types of triangles based on these sides. The first one is called as a scalene triangle when no two sides are equal. That means all the three sides are unequal. So suppose I draw this triangle in which one side is 3 centimeter, the another one is 4 centimeter, and the third side is 5 centimeter. So all the sides are unequal. So it is called as scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle when two sides are equal. So that means if this is a triangle, then if this side and this side are equal, suppose they are equal to 4 centimeter each, and the third side is 5 centimeter, so these two sides are equal, so it is called as isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle, as the word is telling you, that means all the three sides are equal, and suppose each side is 5 centimeter in this case, so this is called as equilateral triangle. So when all the three sides are equal, the triangle is equilateral. Then we have three different types of triangles based on angles. What is an acute angle triangle? It's a triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degrees. So if suppose this is a triangle in which one is suppose 50 degrees, one is 60 degrees, and the another one is 70 degrees. So you can see that all the angles are less than 90 degrees, and please ensure that the angles are not marked to scale, they are just the rough sketches. Obtuse angle triangle when any one angle is more than 90 degree, and the shape of the obtuse angle triangle is often like this. So you can see that this angle is more than 90 degrees, so this is an obtuse angle triangle. So suppose this is 110, so obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle, a triangle in which one angle is exactly equal to 90 degree. So you can see that this is 90-degree angle. So this type of triangle is called as right angled triangle. So acute, all the angles are less than 90. Obtuse, any one angle is more than 90. And right angle triangle, any one angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees. So let's do this question. Suppose I have the triangle PQR, then I have to write the elements of this triangle. So which are the three sides of this triangle? It's PQ, QR, and PR. Which are the three angles of this triangle? That is angle P, angle Q, and angle R. And the last one is what are the three vertices or the corners of this triangle? So that's P, and the next vertex is Q, and the third vertex is R. Name the side opposite to angle Q. Look at this angle Q. Which is the side opposite to angle Q? Means look at this side. So it is PR. So the side is PR. Name the angle opposite to side QR. So look at the side QR. The angle opposite to side QR is angle P. And the last part is you have to name the vertex opposite to side RP. So this is our RP side. This one is RP. What is the vertex opposite to side RP? So that is vertex Q. So we will write down vertex Q. That's all. My next video will be on the properties of the triangles. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.